Welcome back, everybody. We're at step 4. We have now uploaded both estimates for both sides, carrier and the insured's PDFs. And we're going to hit the next step. Agree. And here we go. Here's where the work begins. So the first thing I do is I try to arrange things so that they make sense. For me, debris removal is the same thing as general conditions. Let's see if we have any job site requirements. That'll be general. So let's do this first and take a look and see what he or she has. Permits, temporary toilet, roof requirements. This looks like general conditions too. We can do one of two things here. We can do this and move it, or we can rename it the same general, and then it's still going to go into the same pot of general items. By doing it this way, it just makes your screen a little easier to work on when you have a bigger file. And then when it's empty, which you can see there's nothing over here, you can just go ahead and delete that. See all this roof requirements, exterior requirements. You can choose how you want to do this. This is how I do this. I'm take a little time here just to show you how this is working. And I'm always available to help you through some of these, the first few. All the while we're working on this, if we go back to our dashboard and we look at Wobble, we can see that it's documenting our time. So let's go back to it. See, now our active time has come back up here. And then we can just go back to the match. And roof is the word I like to use. So let's see what this is. It's all roofing items. This is roofing items. So I'm just going to move this up to this roof, which is named roof. That way I can get rid of. Sometimes PDFs have their own titles in different pages, and these items can then make their own trade. Call that general. I'm going to call this general and move this up. I'm going to spend a little time in here. Again, this is empty now, so we can get rid of it. I personally like general to be all the way down at the bottom. So by grabbing this toggle switch on the left, you can move these things around as easily as that. This is going to go into general. And now I can get rid of this. And I like the roof at the top. So I'm going to put the roof at the top. See where this person might have put their gutters. Maybe in the exterior. There's some gutters. And there's some gutters. Let's just add an area so we can match it up. Now you can do this, or you can start breaking things out this way so you can match them. So it's apparent that everybody estimates a little differently. As you can see here, I'm going to take that gutter and I'm going to move it up here to gutters. And then I'm going to move the gutters underneath the roof. So let's look at this exterior again. 1800. Nope. I don't want to edit anything. Let's look here. Stain fascia, fascia. See here, this is all very similar. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to change these words to exterior. And you can do this all the way down rather than Trying to move them into the same box. They're gonna end up that way when we merge it anyway. So I'm gonna finish doing a little bit of work on here, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks, and then we'll go to the next step.